How to mute someone in a call. Sometimes you need a little peace during a voice call. Maybe there is a background noise or just too much chatter. Today I will show you how to mute someone in a Discord call quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, open Discord and find the person you want to call. Make sure you are in a voice call or voice channel where the person you want to mute is speaking. On the right side of your Discord window or bottom on mobile, you will see a list of all participants. On desktop, right-click the username. On mobile, tap their profile picture or name. From the menu, click or tap mute. This mutes their microphone for you only. You won't hear them anymore, but they can still talk to others. Bonus tip: server mute. If you had permissions, you can server mute someone. This mutes them for everyone in the channel. Right-click their name and select server mute. Use this responsibly. And that's how you mute someone in a Discord call, keeping your chat calm and focused. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.